Welcome family, welcome friends, welcome fellow creatives. CHEVSY here. I've finally got my own YouTube channel together, which I'm absolutely buzzing about. I can't wait to get started. But what's it all about? Well, in essence, it's going to be about the journey that I take and the processes that I use during my commissions when doing acrylic pours. So it's going to be really chilled, not so much tutorial based stuff, but more an over the shoulder look. And just quite a chilled vibe just for you guys to experience. I hope you enjoy the journey. My first commission is this 50 by 50 box canvas. And this one's for my good friend Eleanor, so I better do a good job. So without further ado, from me, from you, which you haven't got a name yet, so feel free to name him or her in the comments. And if you do enjoy the video, obviously, then a cheeky like and subscription will be much appreciated. But I'm going to slip into something more comfortable. That's better. You ready? Let's go. In a bit. So guys, another massive warm welcome. So here's the process step by step and some of the materials which I use. So here's the black 3.0. I also combine it with a lamp black, which is a bit cheaper, but it just helps the paint go a bit further, helps me put a nice thick layer just as a base coat on my canvases. So I'll make a bit of an error here. I don't mix up enough paint, which if anyone's done any pours, you probably know what I'm talking about. It's a bit of trial and error really, so I just had to mix another batch up after I gave it an initial coat. It's really therapeutic doing this bit, I like it. And as if by magic, there's a nice even coat. Would recommend to use a mini blowtorch on that background as well, just to get all the air bubbles out. Just to mix the blues with the pouring medium. And again, it's up to you how thick or how thin you want to mix these. I normally add a bit of water. And then sometimes have to add a bit of paint if it is a bit too runny, probably like this one here. And here's the pour. Hope you enjoy. Again, just using that blowtorch to remove any air bubbles. These air bubbles will show when dried, so it's just best to get them out. Just a bit of white to finish. And now for the best bit. Just as a little tip, I would recommend turning your hair dryers down to the lowest setting, just to prevent paint going absolutely everywhere, which it has done for me a couple of times. And here's the final wet pour. Now the paint will continue to move for a couple of days before it does dry, so I'd put it on an even surface as much as possible. Mine was a little off-centered here, unfortunately, so the paint did move, but still really happy. And here's the final result. I hope it inspires you to do your own. Cheers. And the journey which I'm going to go on, and hopefully you'll join me. Yeah, that's what I thought, bruv. You right there? Good. Welcome, friends. Welcome, friend. Bro, chill out. Bit about? Well, in essence, it's just about the acrylic pour processes that I use during my commissions. Wow, that just happened.